What's up guys, this is episode 2 of the series. Today we will be making just a little page where it will be linking us to that. Basically we'll be making a button where it will, when you press it, it will get us to an example domain. So we will be using something called Visual Studio Code. So this is Visual Studio Code. Yeah, this is Visual Studio Code. I'll have this link down in the description. If you want to download it, here, just follow this. You can either click this or this. If you're on Windows, just directly press this. If you're not, just click this and then just download on any version you want. Since I already have this installed, let me just pull this up and let me just show you what this is all about. So once you're done installing and everything, you'll probably see this. It'll just be this, and if you're on the latest version like I am, there will be some release notes. We don't care about these. If you want to sit reading these, these are like the new release notes, but I don't know. I'm not wasting no time. So the two main tabs that we are going to be using over here, as you can see, these are tabs. This is Explorer tab, which will be navigating through your files to open folders. And this extensions tab, where you can download many nice extensions we will be using later in the series. But first, click on open folder and just select whatever folder you're building a project in. Make sure it's saved. I already have an index.html prepared in this, so you don't have to. So now what you should do is just type in. You also get hints, which is something which I really like. So yeah, it's one of the best things ever made in C. Let me just do this. I'll put a body. This is a simple HTML page. Yes. After that, I'll also put so this will be a new command that you're going to be learning. This is actually an implementation of JavaScript. Don't worry, this is not anything complicated. Usually HTML needs JavaScript or CSS if you want to actually make it good. So yeah, so the command is button one click. This is the command. And you can use this hint I took because I don't have much time. But you can just type this out if you want. Remove that. Yeah. That. Put a double quotes and type in go to link. You're supposed to type it in this exact way, by the way. So make sure it's correct, and yeah, then you can actually type here anything you want, but I'll click me to go. Yeah, let me go to another page, and basically so after now we'll close that. After this we'll this and we'll be opening a script. Script is basically a command which runs the code. So we don't exactly have a code here. So yeah, let me just yeah. So after this, what is there? This it run the function go to link means this, and now here. So what this says, it's when the window. So this is a window location ref. So like in the last video, we learned that a ref is basically a tag which is linked. This is actually a website on the internet. I don't know how, but I have found out. And I'm very grateful for it. So yeah. After this, let's do now. All you have to do is just close everything off. Actually, this is like a little space here. Right there. Let me close this script. we close the script off. Close the script off. Yeah. I don't know why this is not happening. Yeah, and let's see. Yeah. So this is the whole code. This is the whole code now. So let's save this and I'll keep this running. So I've opened the folder over here. So here, make sure to select it and then right click it. Select it and right click it. So you'll get these options. Click on open with. You can select either Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. I'll select Microsoft Edge. Select Google. So welcome to my website. This is a simple HTML page. Let me to go into another page. After we click this is an example domain. This actually exists on the web. So yeah, you can learn here. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this helped you in coding a simple page. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.